Alrighty, hey y'all, welcome back to Sidewynders Shed. Now what I got here is I got something for my daughter. She broke down yesterday. What she actually did is she left her dome light on in the car overnight and needed to jump. I asked her if she had some cables. She said, no, I don't know, and she never did end up finding them. So what I got her is just a little breakdown kit, emergency car kit to keep in her vehicle. And let's see what it's got in it. Nice little bag. Let me make sure I got the camera set up so you can see everything that's going on. Well, so far, as long as I'm not moving it, looks like it's doing good. So anyway, let's see what we got in here. All right. Well, we got a little air compressor, tire inflator, first aid kit, space blanket, some electrical tape, an orange emergency poncho, pair of cotton gloves, nice little bit of zip ties, all right. Oh, okay, we got a glass breaker seatbelt cutter. That looks like a little tow strap, a bungee cord, flashlight, one of those ones you squeeze and it charges itself, a warranty card, one triangle, emergency reflective triangle, and a set of jumper cables. All right, that's pretty cool. That ain't bad. That's a good start. See what I can do about putting most of this stuff back together the way it was. Bunch cord, tow strap. Okay. Put the zip ties in here, and the gloves, poncho, and the space blanket, and the tape. Gonna keep this thing here kind of up top. Put that kit in there. Let's see what this flashlight's all about. See if this thing's ready to go right now or what. Somewhere around here is the lock. There we go. Yeah, well, okay, it's already got a battery in it, and so this just charges it. That's cool. That charges the battery. Don't need to do it, but good deal. Yeah, it's not all that great, and I got some little tiny ones that are better, but for the fact that this will charge itself, that's a good handy thing to have. It's better than nothing. It's better than a Bic lighter, that's for sure. Okay, put that in there, put that back in, and what do we got here for a tire? Come on out. looks pretty cool. Yeah, it plugs. Alright, for the older generation, it plugs into your cigarette lighter. For the new generation, this plugs into your accessory outlet thingy do, fluty, blah, whatever. Alright. And it's got the little right in the back. Right, so you plug it in, and there, yeah, the hose stuff's in it. Alright, cool. And oh, look. You can inflate a basketball or some sort of ball with it. Looks like it's got a couple of tips for an air mattress, and it's got an extra fuse. Awesome. Not a bad little deal. Yeah, I don't know how it works. I haven't tried it yet. Oh, and it's got a light on it too. That's awesome. Got a little light right there so you can see what you're doing. Okay. Well, that doesn't look bad. Like I said, I will try it out later. Right now, stuff everything back in the box. And oh no, goes this way. All right, well, good deal. Now you did get her a few extra things. I got her a small tire plug kit and some vulcanizing cement. I also got her an adjustable wrench, pair of pliers, pair of channel locks, and of course 2 screwdrivers, flat tip and Phillips head. I also have a small, almost like a floor jack, but it's one of the small ones. It's really not much bigger than this bag right here. And I got that coming. That should be here next week. And it comes in its own little carry case. It's about 30 pounds, so you know it's not a real big one. But she has a little minivan, so I don't have to worry too much about the ground clearance. Matter of fact, I even got her the low profile jack. But I think that'll be a good start. She can keep that right in her car. I'm also going to get her a gallon of antifreeze, quart of oil, quart of transmission fluid, some duct tape, and an assortment of hose clamps. Those are things I haven't gotten yet. I'll get them for her next weekend. But anyway, guys, I just wanted to do a little unboxing here and show you the Everlit Survival Roadside Emergency Kit. And no, I'm not sponsored by anybody. I just saw this. I think this was somewhere around 60 bucks, $65, something like that, for the stuff that's in it. So yeah, not, my opinion, really not a bad deal. Missing a few things, yeah, that she could use, especially with the kids, but like I said, I'll add a lot of that later. But for $65, I mean, something that's pretty much going to sit in your car until you absolutely need it. I think it's a good deal. I do want to check out that air compressor, and that'll be the biggest thing. If that one's not that good, I got another one I know that works. It's old. It's about 25 years old, but it's along the same lines. You know, you plug it into your cigarette lighter and it airs up your tires. To put 50 pounds of air in, because I had it in my truck, to put 50 pounds of air in it, yeah, it takes it about 30 minutes. But I'd rather sit on the side of the road for 30 minutes than for 3 hours. Anyway, thank you all for tuning in watching this. Y'all have yourselves a great weekend, and I appreciate everyone. Thank you, all my subscribers. You guys are friggin' awesome. And y'all have yourselves a good day, good weekend. Take care.